Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are replacing a engine air filter for Chrysler 2015 200. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So that's your air filter housing, right? And you can see there are some screw over there, that one, and I hope you guys can see. Yeah, that one. There are 4 or 5 screws. Yeah, there are only 3. Yeah, so you have to open it up. So first of all, you can open this up just like this, and you can push it back, or you can pull this one up just to make enough space. See, after pulling this one, you can unplug that sensor. That's your mass airflow sensor circuit. So just pull it out, and then you can open this screw. Make sure you hold them correctly, otherwise they will fall in the engine bay, and then it's gonna be hard for you guys to take them out. So once you take all 3 screw out from here, you can just lift it up. There are some locks over there, so you have to just take it out. You can push it back. Yeah, so like this you can remove that thing. You can put it over there, and that's your engine air filter. You have to replace it every 12 months or 12,000 miles. So that's our old air filter, and that's our new. So we got it from Amazon, and we have to take this one out. There is sponge over there, so you can just take it out. So guys, that's the difference between old filter and new filter. Before putting, make sure you match the size. They should be of same size. Yeah, it's same size. So to put it back, just you can just like this, right? And you can see the locks over there. Let me show you. Yeah, so these locks will go into there. So put it back, you have to little bit jiggle it. There you go. And to make sure it fit properly, you have to just move it, rotate a little bit so that these locks get fit. Yeah, see, these locks are already outside. We have to put them in. To do this, we have to rotate a little bit and then push it. So after putting all this screw back, you can put it back like this. It's pretty easy, guys. You can do it at home. You can plug it back. You can just put this one back here, and yeah, you can use screwdriver to tighten it up. Yeah, it's pretty tight. So that's how guys you can change your engine air filter. Basically you have to change every 12,000 mile or 1 year if you are living in a dusty place, right? And if you change it on time, it will improve your gas mileage too. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.